People read that the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers may cause vibration. In fact, Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a slight sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers and the tightness of the leg nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issue. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on leg-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacer. On leg-centric spacers mean there is big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made low to fit variety of vehicles, without a snug fit. These spacers are centered on the vehicle hub only by wheel stud. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced half-century Tesla Model Y wheel spacer will be the instant solution. As long as you use quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacer, install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and leg nut use a clamping force to secure the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers and wheels, if the stud or leg nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs or BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are made of high-strength 5x114.3 alloy steel. They achieve ISO standard 4.9. With high strength, your Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can be more processed without breaking. Half-century Tesla Model Y wheel spacer keep the wheel centric and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheel are properly torqued, the half-century rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheel to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, half-century Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage half-century rings. The half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminating any possible gas. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are components that can touch other parts, you absolutely need high tolerance.